Krishna Kumar. Krishna Kumar. Yes, Krishna
Yes, ma'am.
Kumar. Krishna Kumar, is this your first class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am, there is a network connectivity problem at my place, so I just want to turn off my camera.
Yeah, you can turn off it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so in the last time we have discussed about the different concepts. Okay, so we have covered the topic of spatial referencing. So Abhijit, Abhijit,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhijit, are you there? Yeah, Abhijit, what is the spatial referencing?
Ma'am, referencing of latitudes and longitudes.
Spatial referencing is latitude and longitude. Is it? How many types of spatial referencing can be done? Or what are the different types of spatial referencing? Abhijit? Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what are the different
Ma'am,
types of spatial referencing?
spatial referencing is modeling of a globe 3D into 2D map.
I do not know, Abhijit, where you are learning all these things. What you are telling me is projection, I think so. So go through the lecture again, and if there is any problem, go through the recording again. Okay. Next, Alok Kumar. Alok Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alok. What is spatial referencing?
Ma'am, it is a system which is used to reference the two-dimensional map.
So, what are the different ways of doing the spatial referencing?
Ma'am, coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system, non-coordinate system, और मैम एक का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, Alok Ranjan. Alok Ranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Alok, what are the different types of spatial referencing?
Geographic referencing.
Alok, thoda, Alok. Alok, you are not audible. Alok, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the different types of spatial referencing?
Geographic coordinate system
Yes.
and projected coordinate system.
Yes. Third one?
I'm not remember.
Okay, next. Arun?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Arun. So what are the different, can you give the example of each of the spatial referencing, geographic coordinate system, planar coordinate system, and coordinate
Ma'am,
system? These are three different types of spatial referencing.
ma'am, geographic coordinate system, like we do in our lab one. So, ma'am, latitude and longitude, and
Okay.
projected coordinate system, ma'am actually मुझे याद नहीं है.
Okay. Next, Bhagat.
Yes, ma'am.
The same question. Can you give the example of rest?
Projection coordinate system.
Yes.
Projection coordinate is the changing the three-dimensional form of Earth to a 2D planar. And example would be forget me.